In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To transfer money from Coinbase to a Phantom Wallet, you will typically be transferring a specific cryptocurrency, such as Solana, aka Sol. So in this video, I'm going to instruct you on how to do this transfer using this specific cryptocurrency, but it should work in general as long as you follow the same steps. So to start, set up your Phantom Wallet. Make sure that you have the app or the extension downloaded and create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make sure that you have a good understanding of the wallet's seed phrase and the security measures. And now, purchase Solana on Coinbase. Assuming that you still need to acquire it, go over to the page and buy Solana using your preferred payment method. If you already have the Solana good to go, now all that you have to do is obtain your Phantom Wallet address. So open your Phantom Wallet, choose the Receive button, and copy the Solana address displayed. With the address acquired from your Phantom Wallet, you will be able to transfer it by logging into your Coinbase account, going over to the Send page, and choosing Solana as the cryptocurrency to send. So when you select the Send option within Solana, you will be able to paste the wallet address that you acquired from Phantom Wallet. Paste it into the recipient address field and enter the amount of Solana that you purchased that you would like to transfer. Review all of the details and confirm the transfer. Be aware of any network fees that might be associated with these transactions. They can depend on the network congestion, and be aware of the transaction times. I highly recommend sending a small amount first to see if everything is set up properly, and if you receive that small amount, you can go ahead and send the rest. But to keep it simple, just set up your Phantom Wallet, acquire the address from within Phantom Wallet, and then input it into the send option inside of Coinbase. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.